Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video is a bit special because I'm a bit unboxing my brand new iPad 8th generation 2020. So without waste of time, let's get into the video. This is the iPad 8th Gen 2020. As you can see, I got it in space gray and it's 128 GB. This is the Wi-Fi model, by the way. I don't even know how to start. Okay. Okay. I think I'm doing a good job so far. So let's get this off. Who's ready? It's not coming up. Just come out. Oh my gosh. And this is the iPad 2020, iPad 8th Gen. Okay. So here's the iPad. Feels premium. Let me keep it by the side. And it comes with this thing. This paper thing. I'm sure the Apple sticker is inside. iPad. This thing. Oof, the Apple sticker. And yeah, that's what is inside here. And it comes with a fast charger and lightning to USB-C cable. So that's pretty much in the box. Let's keep this by the side and get rid of it. And let's turn it on. Ooh, it's turning on. It says hello. I will be setting up the iPad now. This is only the unboxing. If you want to see the full review, make sure you subscribe to the channel. There will be a part 2, of course. And yeah, make sure you like, subscribe for the review. Take it easy, everyone. Peace. This is my first unboxing on this channel, so I forgot to peel this plastic thing. So enjoy it while I peel it. Oh my gosh, so satisfying. That's it. My fingerprints is already all over the place. And that's all.